Good day folks and welcome to Best Trade Setup. In this video I'll be taking you through the trades on the 30th of September 2024. So as usual I show the before and then the after. From that point on I break down every single thing I was looking at to enter this trade. This is the 5-minute time frame. Price eventually reached take profit and went beyond that to reach the previous day's high. This is what it looks like on the 15-minute time frame before, and this is after. So the way I enter this trade starts all the way from the day before. Right here we see a fake out. And with every fake out comes a W pattern or an M pattern, two confirmations. And then we see a 3 candle pattern and how price is at this 50s level. I use a combination of price action and where price is in this case, these points, these quarter levels. So far we have 4 confirmations. I need 6 confirmations to enter buys. We have price then closing above this 5-minute order block and then this 5-minute order block. So whenever price closes above an order block, I take it as an indication of price moving in that direction, as in going up. Because price broke up above it, it's an indication that price may continue to go up. If price broke below an order block, that's an indication of price continuing to go lower. But it has to be in combination with other things as well. So in this case, I need 6 confirmations. So we have 4, 5 being this first break above order block, 6 being this right here, a break above another 5-minute order block. So at this point in time, I have 6 confirmations. My entry signal would be price bouncing off of this 20 EMA. As you can see, price did come back here and bounce off of this 20 EMA. Again, we have a break and retest in the form of a 3-candle pattern. So that lets me know that this is the point in which I need to enter buys. This point here is well after the New York session trading hours that I have. So all I see is just an indication of buys. So I usually wouldn't enter this trade. Like I said, it's after hours. So moving forward, I'll actually just need to see a W pattern at a significant level to enter buys. And we do see that again right here. Because the first touch is here, this pin hammer, price goes up, comes back down. A second touch right here, then this is where I would enter buys when this bullish candle closes. Now obviously here I'm not on the screen because I'm sleeping. I usually trade the London session and the New York session. So here we have a closer look just to see what was happening. This 5-minute order block is formed when 1, 2, those are 2 bullish candles going up. So that's the swing high. And then we have the same thing happening here, but in a different way where we have 2 bearish candles in between. But what I'm going to concentrate on is the fact that these 2 bearish candles don't go below the first bullish candle. And then we have this second bullish candle, which also shouldn't go below this wick. To me, that's price going up to form a swing high and therefore a 5-minute order block. So price did close above the first order block and then the second order block. So at this point in time, we do have 6 confirmations. We just need an entry signal where price rejects this level or this area where the 20 EMA is. Here we go, there it is. This is the first tap and this is the second tap. Once price, not only does it have to touch this level, but a bullish candle has to form to complete this W pattern right here at the retest level. So this is the vertical blue line. The vertical blue lines show buy entries and the vertical red lines show sell entries. Moving forward, what I see is this low of the day. Price then goes below it, close above it, comes back again and closes above it. So it completes a W pattern at the low of the day. This isn't a break or structure point, but rather it's a significant point because it is the low of the day. That is the next level that I look at if I don't have a break or structure point. So at this point in time, we just look for W patterns or three candle patterns at significant levels. No need to wait for price to close above the 20 EMA to enter trades. So this vertical blue line would be a buy entry. This here is a three candle pattern formed by four candles. A three candle pattern can be formed by three candles or four candles, not more than that. And it's significant because if you use this as the starting point and this as the end point, this whole movement is just a big pin hammer. So we have price. Now this is the new low of the day. So we have price doing a fake out at this level in the form of a three candle pattern. So we enter the trades right here. First take profit would be the high of the day. After that would be the order block. This area here, the purple area, is a no trade zone. It is the middle hour of the gap time between two trading sessions. The London session and the New York session, or the Asian session and the London session, there's always 3 hours between these two sessions. And the middle hour of that 3 hour session is a no trade zone. It's an area where I am not gonna enter a trade because most of the time you find that price would actually go against me or rather gives a 50-50 chance. Though in this case entries here would still have given profits, I would advise not to trade in this area when you see an entry signal in this area. In this case, it's the 5 minute before the no trade zone. So that's still fine. You just have to wait it out and see where price goes afterwards. But if this entry signal was inside this no trade zone, I wouldn't enter the trade. I'd rather wait for that hour to pass by and then see if I can still enter the trade at a good risk to reward. Now, this is a wider view of the 5 minute time frame. In the previous videos, I did mention consolidations after a peak formation low. And this is actually one of those scenarios. We have a peak formation low here, price consolidates and breaks out of this area. This is the line chart just to give a clearer view of things. Now this is the 15-minute time frame, and this is the line chart on the 15-minute time frame. This brings me to the end of the video. Take from that what you will, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.